What's up, guys? Zach Friesen back. Let me turn on my lights, and we are here with Kyle as well. He is getting our people in here from the Discord. So we're getting ready for a nice stream. Obviously, we know what's going on with Shib right now. We know you guys are probably not doing too hot. However, we're going to be trying to quell some of your fears. We're going to be answering questions. So if you guys want to hear all that, make sure you guys stick around for the live stream. We'll probably be going for around 45 minutes to an hour. Who knows? But yeah.
We out here, though. That's what matters.
Ooh, lots of people already in the chat, I will say. Thank you, everyone, for coming. Shout out to Southward, member in the chat. Tyler Godfrey. Godfrey. Why do I know that last name?
That was my grandpa's name. One of my great-grandpas.
Wait, Sarah. Isn't that? Whatever. Anyways, thank you guys all for coming. Thank you for the likes already, guys. We know there's probably going to be a lot of negativity in the chat today. And we understand, we understand that you're most likely hurt at this time. But there's a lot we have to go over. So hopefully you guys hear us out, everything of that nature. So
hopefully you guys are chillers. Damn, that chat's moving quick.
Yes, sir.
Oh no, it wasn't. It was updating. Well, either way, what's up, guys? Welcome to the stream.
But really, what's up, everyone? What's up, Peter? What's up, Adam?
Let us know where you guys are tuning in from. Let us know, geographically where you guys are at. We always like to do this at the start of the stream just to kind of get a feel of where our audience is at and what you guys are up to these days. Let's see.
Yeah, and what's it called? I noticed Adam Henderson. Jesus. He just joined our private Discord, so thank you for coming through.
Adam Henderson. What's up, man? Yep. Welcome. Thank you for joining the private Discord.
What's up, DJ Biggs? I actually went to DJ Biggs. I went to DJ Biggs' Twitch stream last night. It was pretty fun. I went for about 15 minutes or whatever.
That's dope.
Good to see you here. I'm in Biggs' house, Funk Shop TV. Is that a DJ Biggs' mom? I noticed his mom is his moderator. I wish my mom would be my moderator.
D-Joy would hold it down.
Yes, seriously. She wouldn't let no hooligans go around.
No hooligans. Make sure to like the stream, by the way, guys, if you haven't already. We got about 37 people watching right now. We'd really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button so we get more of the Shiba Inu army and community in here so we can get more of our information out in a timely manner. So make sure to hit that like button.
Still snowing in Minnesota.
John Parks. Welcome back, John Parks. Hey, James Griver. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your last name. Welcome.
I didn't know that name. I didn't know you were from London. That's what's up.
That's cool.
Is this
Island boy?
Funk Shop TV is a studio account. Next time I'll get the turntables. You have to check that stream out. Oh, let's go.
Oh, that'd be sick.
I mean, no. But yeah, so Shib obviously down 17% today. We're going to be discussing why this is, everything of that nature. And I mean, we don't even want to look at this global crypto market. We're down to 1.69 trillion. That's a 12% decrease. I don't know when the last time I saw a 12% decrease in one day.
So this is like, I'd call it a correction. I don't think that we're in a crash. I think right now, a crash, we'd have to see this type of movement for the next like 2 or 3 days for us to really consider that. I don't think we're going to see that. I hope we don't see that. I don't think we will. I think this is just short-term paper hands kind of getting shaken out of the market after that SEC unfortunately not passing through the Bitcoin ETF. Plus, there's a lot of other random stuff going on in the market right now too. I think Russia is calling for a ban on crypto, if I'm not mistaken.
They are.
The Bank of Russia.
I would note
they're calling for it. I don't know if they have. But.
I would note a correction is normally 10 to 20%. A crash is anything over 25 to 40, I believe, is what you would label a crash. Those are just like the technical terms. Whatever you want to call it. If you want to call 20% a crash, I'd understand. Right. But the technical terms, I believe, are 10 to 20% are a correction. But usually that is followed by green days. I don't know if we've seen a green day in a little bit. But yeah, thank you guys for 50 viewers. Make sure you guys like the stream. At 100 likes, I'm going to put another $10 into Shib. I did just put a ton of money into Shib.
Yeah, we put in tons of money into crypto right now.
All of today. But yeah, we are putting a lot of money into crypto. And if you guys want to see the different cryptos we're buying, because we're buying a multitude of cryptos, especially today on this dip, then make sure you guys get signed up to our private Discord. We have 3 more days with this 50% off limited time sale. So if you guys have been thinking about getting into the private Discord, want to get our buy and sell alerts, especially today, this is going to be the day to do it, because we're going to be putting out a ton of buy alerts. We already have today, and then I plan on putting out more tonight. So if you guys want to get joined up, go ahead and use that first link, or sorry, is it the first link in the description?
Should be the first link in the description below. It's also in the chat right now.
Yes, and then it should be in the chat. So if you guys want to join our private Discord, I would say this is probably the perfect day to do it. You have 3 more days with this 50% off tier. Then we'll be going to $20. So if you guys are interested, I would join now.
Wait, John Parks, did ETH just dip to 2,500? Is that what you're saying right now? No way.
Let's see.
No way it did it.
It's like 25.
Yeah, it did.
47. Oh, dang. Yeah, no, it's still on the way down.
Listen, I mean, I can't say when I'm going to buy. Oh, I just hit my mic. Was that loud? I hope it wasn't.
It wasn't.
I'm not going to. All right, good. I'm not going to say when I'm going to buy ETH, because that is reserved for our Discord members only. But just know, I'm planning on doing some buying very soon. That's why you guys got to join the Discord, because obviously, if you guys want to see when we're buying that stuff, best place to do it. But ETH is starting to dip, man. It's dipping. And again, I actually said in my video today, I would not be surprised if we see a further correction, not only into the end of today, but even in tomorrow. I could legitimately see us dipping down another 3 to 4% at least. And that's if market conditions continue, unless we get some crazy piece of news that totally changes everything. But obviously, that's probably not very likely. That's my take, though. I don't know if Zach maybe has a different one.
Did you say 3 or 4 or 30 or 30?
3 to 4%.
Oh,
I think we're still in for a little bit more blood.
No, yeah, I could see. I
could even see higher than that, 5 to 6.
No, 2,400 might be where we stop. But
I could see that as a good support.
We'll have to see how the price, the price action goes throughout the day. Something to note is the volume is up all over the place. Like volume is up 150% for Ethereum. In terms of Shib, we are up about 277, and that is because of all the selling. You can see we had a sharp uptick in volume right before we started selling off, and then obviously the volume is starting to go up a lot right now. We've seen this a lot of times when we dip and then we make a nice recovery throughout the day. So far, we're not showing that recovery yet. The RSI is only at 23. I could see the RSI getting down to 10 today. So the fact of the matter is we could be seeing anywhere from 21 to 20 today. So it's just market conditions, guys. And this is a real big point I want to make. This will take just a second. I talked about this more in depth in the private Discord last night. So if you guys want to, really get a good nugget of information, go ahead and go there. But we broke out of this bearish trend last night with the 3 white soldiers pattern. This should have been bullish. All things technical showed bullish yesterday. Then the Bitcoin ETF was denied, and then the whole market turned bearish for the day. And I was like, oh, okay, well, we're still above our lines. We should be still bullish just because technically we are. And then throughout the whole day, we have been selling. I haven't seen more than 3 green wicks at a time this whole time. So basically, even if you have a technical breakout, it is nothing without fundamental analysis. And this is why you guys follow people like us, people like Zach Humphreys, people like Austin Hilton, is because you want to hear the news. And that's the fundamental analysis, is the news. So technical analysis is all well and good, but when the overall market conditions are bad, it doesn't mean anything. You could literally be going down even if you just broke out of a technical breakout. So that's just something I wanted to mention. I go more in detail in the private Discord if you guys want to see it.
Not to interrupt you or anything, but Cyan seems to really want your attention. He keeps saying, yo, Zach, yo, Zach, yo, Zach, yo, Zach. What's up?
It better be good or else you're getting banned. So
I was gonna say, bro, you just spammed
it better be good. It better be good.
It better be amazing. It better, did they just find the cure to cancer? Did they just discover a UFO? What did they do? Please let it be something amazing. If it's not, you're out of here.
You have 15 seconds from this point. I just bought another $50 in Shiba Inu. That's what's up, Adam.
Let's go.
Thank you for joining the private Discord today.
What is Suku Coin or Suku?
Never heard of it.
Coinbase is the only one up. They probably just minted today. Oh wait, that's an NFT term. Not in a, they didn't mint. They probably just went live or something. It's probably a rug pull. Who knows?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I do want to go over a few different pieces of news. El Salvador did purchase 410 Bitcoin. El Salvador showing some savvy. Being able to purchase on these dips. They've been doing it a lot.
Does he trade because the president does most of the trading, right? Does he trade the Bitcoin? Like he literally buys and sells specific coins to try and make money?
I'm sure.
Because I think he trades.
Really? Oh, I know nothing about it. I thought it would just be their government. I don't know.
I think because I've seen he talks, or maybe he's a long-term holder. I don't know. But I think he said I think they were able to pay off a couple million worth of their debt as a country with the Bitcoin trading that he's been doing, or something like that. I don't know if that's, again, I'm talking about off the top of my head. There might be a news article.
Never seen a news article on it, but I mean, I wouldn't be surprised.
But dude, he's a Chad, bro. He's a G. He's a Bitcoin Andy.
Over the last 24 hours, 1.505 billion crypto accounts have been liquidated. 300,000 crypto accounts been liquidated.
There's some people that are crying today, man.
Yeah.
Jimmy Chong said, "Turn that light on, bro."
Dude, do you have a light in there?
Like crap.
Do you have a light in there?
I have this one. You see that? You see it off to the corner?
No.
Right?
Do you have a light in it though? A light bulb?
Yeah, I do. Yeah. Here.
Oh, is it on? Oh,
you see it? Is it in? Look at that. Oh, dude, look at that. See, I'm not poor. I can afford lights.
Oh, I thought it was just
my
off.
money's not in crypto.
I thought it was just off.
Shout out Jimmy though. Jimmy's a Discord member. What's up, Jimmy? Welcome to the stream. ETH is plummeting like crazy. Did it just drop more?
Let's see. I have ETH on here.
Oh
too.
no, we're at 2,400, bro. What if we see 1,900 ETH, bro? Imagine.
I would buy a whole.
Imagine we see 19. Oh, dude,
I'd buy another 1,000.
No idea.
Most likely.
You have no idea how much money I'm about to dump in if we see 1,900. You have no idea. That is a steal.
And you'll get to find out with our private Discord.
And if you guys want to know exactly when we do that, or when we're expecting to see that with a little bit of technical analysis involved, get joined up to our private Discord. 50% off right now, guys. There's only a few days left to take advantage of this deal, and I really recommend you guys do, especially if you're hurting on today. Join up to a community, guys. It's always nice to be a part of a community of people and talk to people when you're down. I know we've had a lot of really cool, interesting conversations in the Discord as of late, especially with this dip going on, really kind of supporting each other through all of this. And it helps us kind of stay focused on the goal, which is, of course, financial freedom and making smart investment decisions at the end of the day. So make sure to join up if you haven't already.
Yes.
What else? DJ Big said I have an extra ring light that I'm over COVID. I may send it to you. No, bro, I got a ring light on the right here.
Yeah, we both got lights. I mean, I don't have a ring light, but we both
I need
got
a better
lights.
light, bro. My ring light's garbage. Look how washed out I look with this. I need to get like one of those Elgato key lights, even though they're like $159.
Yeah, low key, are those worth it? I don't think so. But
hey, Amaya with the martini glass, dude, you were just calling my phone, and I wanted to answer, but I couldn't. But what's up? Say it in the chat or text it to me. But if it's important.
Yeah, so just for Shib news, because I know a lot of you guys are probably here for Shib news. Basically, Shitoshi Kusama has been teasing a big idea. I don't know if you went over this today, Kyle. Obviously, you must have went over this penny float.
Yeah, I did.
But obviously, the Shib in the distance with the blurriness. But also, Queenie did tweet out. I know a lot of you guys have been asking us, hey, when is that Queenie thing going to come out about... hello, Maya. When is that Queenie announcement going to come out? Because earlier she did say that there was going to be a big announcement in early 2022. And someone asked her about it, and she said, all I can say, it's still inbound. So we're trying to get everything as ready as quickly as we can, but quality is greater than quantity. And trust me, the wait will be worth it. So we do have some announcement, and they say it's big coming out very soon. But obviously, when they say quality over quantity, that might be a little bit longer than we have to wait. So hopefully they can come out with that soon so we can kind of...
They're so cryptic right now, dude. I want to know. I really want to know. Hey, Southward, shout out Southward. He just said something that I think is really relevant at the time. Let's get the stream likes up, guys. We got 74 people in the stream right now. Make sure to like this video, guys. It's the easiest way to support us and to get more Shiba Inu Army members and community members in here as fast as possible. So make sure to hit that like button. 74 people watching, only 37 likes so far. Let's see if we can match the likes with the number of people watching. So let's get those likes up.
Yes, sir.
Amaya just told me that apparently there are some drinks to be had, apparently.
Oh, lucky.
I don't know though.
Um,
If it's happening right now, your boy's grinding, bro. We're on grind time right now.
yeah, so I want to go over the Russia thing as well. I don't know. Did Watcher Guru tweet about it
I
or?
can't remember where I read it about. I'm sure Watcher Guru has something on it. If not, just go on Twitter and search up
Yeah.
Russia crypto ban or something like that and see if you can find it.
It's pretty relevant, obviously. So we do want to go over this. I did a lot of kind of broader market talking in my videos today. I'm sure a lot of you guys noticed, if you guys are already subscribed and watching our videos. I did a lot of broader market analysis, and it's really relevant because obviously Shiba Inu Coin isn't down 17% because, you know, they're just a bad crypto or something. They're down
Right.
17% because, I mean, even Ethereum's down 16% right now. So the fact that we're literally on par with Ethereum, we have a lower market cap. So we should low key be doing worse than Ethereum because a lot more money will be coming out of Shib than Ethereum. But we are still on par, which is good to see. And Kyle, let me know if you think this is weird. Bitcoin has had most of the bad news come to Bitcoin, haven't they? So why is Ethereum doing so much worse than Bitcoin today? Is it because the market cap is lower? I'm wondering your thoughts on it.
I'm assuming that it is because the market cap is lower. I think another, in my opinion, valid reason, and maybe I'm wrong, maybe other people feel differently about this. I mean, these are the two most popular cryptocurrencies, so therefore the inflow, outflow of buyers and sellers in this market is going to be significantly more prominent than anything else. Bitcoin's more expensive too, and a lot of people in the crypto markets, I'm sure average wallet sizes are not that big. So people who are going to be doing a lot of buying, even if they're buying fractional, I don't think most people are buying Bitcoin right now. I think most people on this dip that we're seeing right now are buying Ethereum. But unfortunately, because of that, I think we're also seeing a lot of sellers of Ethereum that are kind of getting mixed in with this market as well. So the downward pressure, if you will, that we're kind of experiencing is still, I think, majorly tied to the fundamental factors that we talked about at the beginning of this this stream, I should say. But also, as long as Bitcoin is still down and we're still trending downwards, everything's going to follow suit, man. Like everything, and it's just so hard to break out of that correlation. Unfortunately, Shiba Inu is like almost like a times 6 effect. Like if Bitcoin dips 5%, Shiba Inu dips like 12, right? It's crazy. But that's my opinion.
Agreed. Yep. I agree with you totally. So these are really the reasons why Shib started this and Bitcoin and Ethereum, all of crypto started off. Basically, a Bitcoin ETF was denied. They cited obviously tether fraud and just overall risk to investors in their denial. So the SEC sent out this letter. We initially only went down about 3 to 4% in the overall market, but then this was the real kind of knockout. Russia's central bank proposes a ban on cryptocurrencies in Russia. This ban would affect both mining and transacting. So basically everything with cryptocurrencies. I don't know if they cited NFTs as well, but the ban could affect up to $92 billion in crypto assets held in Russia. That is a lot of money, and this is why people are panicking, is because of this number right here, $92 billion. I believe they're the third highest amount of money in their country. I saw that stat somewhere. That basically they have the third most assets in crypto under management out of any country. So the fact that they propose a ban on all of these things is what has triggered this sell-off. Now, this happened to China as well. Someone pointed this out in our Discord that they did this in China as well. Do you remember his name? I kind of want to give him credit.
I can't remember the exact one. If you're in the chat right now, let us know. Yeah. We're trying to give you credit. If you said, if you're in the Discord and you said something about,
he posted the link. He posted the link to the China banning crypto and mining from back in September. I did use in my video earlier today as well. Right. But basically, Russia cited China saying, "Hey, we want to do what China did." So both Russia and China, massive countries, massive kind of effect on the crypto market, and they also fell. But I would like to point out that was in early September-ish. Bitcoin in early September went down to, I believe it was about $40,000, even a little, $40,000, and then we started the next rally, and we eventually peaked in November at $67,000, which is almost 40% gains. So I'm not saying that that's going to happen again. I really hope it will. But that would be...
Oh, it was Mowgli. Looks like it was Mowgli.
I believe it was Mowgli. Yeah. Thank you, Mowgli. If you're watching this stream back, or if you're watching the stream, awesome. If you're watching the stream back, appreciate you. But yeah, so basically we did go down to $40,000. Bang, we went right back up to $67,000. Not saying that's going to happen again, but I sure hope it will.
If it does, man, we're looking at probably ETH in the kind of thousands area, Bitcoin in what, like the low 20s, maybe the mid 20s, right?
Bitcoin,
or are we looking even lower than that?
If
we're going back to something similar to that, you know what I mean?
Well, similar to that, we would be, I'll go back to Bitcoin right now. They announced it, I believe, on like the 5th, and then eventually it went down. So it went from 51,000 to 40,000. So we've already had more losses than that. So
that's that's the question is how low will this go? At the end of the day, like everyone keeps wanting to figure out when is the best time to buy the dip and trying to time out all these different assets. And you got to check your support levels, guys. You got to check those support levels and make sure that you have cash on standby if you are planning on buying the dip, because again, these dips in crypto can come super, super quick. Like you could miss it, in a matter of minutes, sometimes seconds even. Well, maybe not seconds, that would be almost impossible, but yeah, mostly minutes and even hours. You can miss a lot of these. So you have to be aware. You have to be constantly up to date. You got to set those price alerts and join our Discord too, because we post obviously our alerts when we're buying, and usually those are great buys.
Yes, I would like to mention, guys, literally there's only 3 more days where you can get this $10 a tier month. So if you guys want to join our private Discord, get our buy and sell alerts to know when we are making our entrances, make sure you guys get joined up. You can do it after the stream if you want to keep watching and everything. I totally understand. But getting our buy and sell alerts, there's only 3 more days. So definitely
50% off. And you guys get that $10 tier for the rest of the time that you're in the Discord, unless you leave, unsubscribe, whatever. That is what you guys get.
You lock it in.
You lock it in. So if you guys don't want to pay the 20 in the future, and we don't run sales often, guys. So if you guys want to take advantage of this, make sure to check it out.
Yeah. For Ethereum personally, I can see 2,200. Because we have broken the support at the 2,700 already today. Like we're past that. Some people could say 2,400 is the next support. I can see us. We have about 4 points of contact with the support at the 2,200. So I could see us possibly making support there. Obviously, we're having our biggest red candlestick as we speak. So, the RSI is only at 24. I've seen RSIs get into the, 10 and 9 areas when we're really at peak fear. So that's just something to be on the lookout for. It's 2,200. I'm going to try to make my entrance, anywhere from 2,200 to, well, actually, I don't want to tell, but 22 to.
Gotta give me in the Discord for that one.
22 to
well, shout out
500.
Discord too.
If I can get it at 22, obviously that'd be amazing. I don't think we will though. So if you guys want to know exactly when we make it, go ahead and do it. But yeah, literally, if you look on Twitter today. Thank you for the
John
$4.
Parks for the $4.99. My guys, our number one crypto channel. What's your opinion on how much longer we could see this bearish trend? Zach, you want to take that one?
Yeah. So today, obviously, I just want to say, wow, this is the bottom. But when we see big red days like this, like bad red days, it can be followed by slightly green in the 2 to 3% as soon as we could be in the green at 5 o'clock tomorrow, but obviously we'd be in the green after dropping however much percent we dropped today. I believe it's like 16% or whatever. So it's compared to kind of unsustained things, but anyways, we could be in the green, and then I could see us slightly being in a bearish trend still, just going forward for 2 or 3 more days, and then possibly trying to make our way back up. It's really going to be a long process to see when we officially do break out of this bearish trend. It's not going to be clear in the next 2 to 3 days. We can make our assumptions, we can make our predictions, but at the end of the day, we're going to need some real substantial market data before we can actually make predictions like that. But personally, I can see it at least a few more days of just being in that slightly green or red. No recovery for the next 2 or 3 days. And then I think we'll start making our recovery.
Yeah, I absolutely agree. And I think that unfortunately, just due to world events right now, first of all, the news already is starting to fade. We're starting to see, obviously less and less people talking about it on social media. But unfortunately, that's still going to be something that's weighing heavy on everybody's minds, right? We're still waiting for the overall fear in the market to subside. And like Zach said, even though we are kind of getting close to, if not at maximum fear, when you look at the RSI, when you look at, of course, some of the fear and greed indicators on Bitcoin, how we looked at the fear and greed.
I was just about to pull that up.
That's my guy. Let's go. Let's pull that up. I wanted to see it because I don't think we've checked it so
It's
far.
got to be.
It's extreme fear. We are definitely in extreme fear. It looks like
the last one was 24, but they haven't. Do they have a website?
They haven't updated yet for the 21st. I think they do. I think if you go to like CNBC or no, not CNBC.
I'll just look it up.
Bitcoin fear index. But yeah, even 19. Though we are at 19. Whew,
yesterday was 24. Last week was 21.
I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little bit more. If we see down to like 18, 17, maybe even 16 at that level. But I don't know, guys. I think we will be able to recover quite nicely from this after a little bit of time. But again, this is why we take advantage of the dips. This is why we buy and we hold, right? This is why we're long-term investors. Being a trader in this market can be a little bit difficult sometimes, to try and time out all these perfect plays all the time and try to effectively predict where each asset is going, especially if you're in some of these smaller market cap coins. This is why we don't trade Shiba Inu. This is why we buy Shiba Inu and we hold it long-term. We know that there's a volatile market and we know that this coin specifically is volatile to begin with. Tasty. I like that dip meme. That was good.
Yeah, it was good.
But that's the whole point, right? Is that we pick assets that we have a lot of, actually conviction in, and we buy and we hold. That's the end of the day, right? That's what we do. Read some of these chats here.
I do want to mention, if you're not buying Shib, Ethereum, some of these different coins or other high conviction crypto plays, you're missing out today. If you haven't bought anything today, you're not doing good. You're not if you don't have any money to put in, understandable.
Absolutely.
But if you have money to put in and you're waiting for a further dip, that's where I'm like, what are we doing, guys? Come on.
You got to remember, guys, there's a very big difference between timing the market and time in the market. # Warren Buffett.
Exactly.
No. But what's it called? But yeah, the whole point here, guys, is you don't want the opportunities to slip up and pass you by thinking that you're waiting for a better opportunity when maybe the opportunity is right in front of you. We don't know, obviously, of course, that's hard to predict. But again, this is why we're long-term investors, because it makes everything easier. It makes buying decisions easier. It makes anxiety a lot less, obviously, of worrying about day-to-day what your coins are doing. And obviously, you have a long-term conviction of the play and what you're doing with that.
I do.
Tyler says, "Oh, sorry."
I do want to ask a question to the chat.
Yeah.
I want to know, how long do you think we are going to be in the red for? Do you think it's going to be another day? Do you think it's going to be another 2 days, another 7 days? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, I do want, if you want to take away this, I don't know if you could see it on your screen yet, but do you want to do this, Kyle?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. One of the things, I want to read some of these chats. For 1 week, a week at most, depends on the platform, 1 to 2 weeks. Yeah, I think I agree, guys. Again, 1 week, I would say, actually, you know what? No, I take that back. Maybe we see 3 to 4 to 5 days. I think that's the most. Sonic said 6 months. God, I hope we're not in a bear market. Yeah, I don't think it'll be 6 months. Beginning of February, yeah, maybe. I mean, February is what, only like a couple days, or it's like what, 10 days away?
I could see.
What's the date today? The 21st to the 31? Yeah, so about 10 days away, give or take.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't think we're going to be in this for much longer. I don't think we're going to be in it for 6 months. But I mean, hey, maybe. No, I don't think it's going to happen.
I think 3 days.
Real quick, though, guys, personally, because we're on public.com right now, if you guys are down with some money, if you guys don't have a lot going on right now, if you want to get some free money, I really, really recommend you guys get signed up with public.com. It's the second link down in the description below. It's also linked in the chat. All you guys have to do is literally hit that link, sign up and deposit at least $1, and you guys will get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70. It's usually a great selection of companies like Google, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Tesla, and a bunch of others. You guys can take advantage of that by literally just making an account and deposit $1. That's all you guys have to do. It's free money. It's an easy way to do. You can follow us on there since it's like a social media platform. You can see what we're investing in. It's one of our portfolios. Again, if you want to get access to all of our portfolios, you have to join the Discord, obviously. But you can see some of our positions on there and what we're holding. And it doesn't cost anything to get signed up with the app. So, also, Zach got $300 worth of Amazon from one of his free stocks that he got from Public. So again, guys, it's possible. There is the chance to get a huge amount of payouts like that if you guys are interested in it. So again, second link down in the description below. Also linked, of course, in the chat.
I was literally in class, and then I had my friend literally. I was like, "Oh, just pick one of these companies." She picked Amazon. Boom, $300. I literally like yelped in class. I was like, "Oh shoot!" I was so hyped. I was like, "Oh my god,
dude, that's awesome!"
But yeah, so
Tyler, it's linked in the chat for the Discord. If you're wondering, I saw you were asking about the Discord. It should be linked in the chat. It's also the first link in the description below if you haven't already. DJ Big says Robinhood catalyst for Shiba is like number 3 on the top reasons why it will move the price up this year, in my opinion. Yeah, that's honestly probably out of the top 3. I would say same. I think personally, in my personal opinion, this is a hot take, but I think it's the number 1 catalyst this year, besides Shibarium, the NFT game, the AAA studio game, and even the potential launch of more NFTs. I think that was another thing they discussed about doing. I think the DAO is something cool too.
Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, the Robinhood. Well, no.
Listing?
What do you? Yeah. In what reference? The Robinhood listing is what I'm saying is that it will be, in my opinion, the most popular or the most successful catalyst in all of this, in my opinion.
Yes, agreed.
That's just my take.
Agreed. Yeah. What's it called? Also, I do want to mention we're kind of getting some more green candlesticks on Ethereum, so just want to mention that.
Also, guys, we have 122 people in here and we only have 59 likes. Let's get the likes up to match the number of people that are watching the stream. Like the stream if you haven't already. It's literally easy, free, and you guys can do it with no problem. It's 120 people watching right now. Let's get to 120 likes, guys. I know you guys can do it.
I'm going to invest $10 at 100 likes, so literally just put a like down below, and I'll invest $10 in Shib right now. I mean, I already invested a lot of money into Shib today, but we'll do another one. So just want to say that.
Jack said, have some work to finish. Catch y'all in the Discord once I figure out how to navigate it. later, Jack.
Sounds
good to see you in the Discord, man.
Yeah, I also we put out some good stuff on public.com. Also, you can follow us at It's Finance Bro and see some of these market updates we give. We just give like broad market updates for the most part. And I said here's why Shib, Ethereum, and Bitcoin are down. The SEC we've already kind of went over this, but we have a lot more viewers. So just in the very brief moment, this is why everything is down right now. SEC buckled down, denied a Bitcoin ETF, and scared investors with more possible regulation. Russia wants to follow in China's footsteps and ban crypto mining and transactions. And then also liquidations have just gone through the roof. I believe $1 billion in the last 24 hours. So yeah, I think we will recover soon. It could be 2 or 3 more days of blood. And we will be investing a ton in that private Discord, announcing all of our different things.
Best way to see when we buy the dips. I'm trying to see here if there's any other different things happening on Twitter specifically related to crypto.
Did that guy ever that was saying "Yo Zach" over and over again? Did he ever like say anything?
Nope, he didn't say a word.
Oh, should we just ban him then?
Wait, bro, I'm actually very curious about what that was all about, because like homie literally posted "Yo Zach" about like 7 times, and I don't think anybody would be like that, like dedicated to trying to get your attention without like having something crazy to say.
Yeah, he didn't say anything.
Yeah.
Wait, I think
if you're still watching, say something, bro. I want to see.
I think he's in our Discord actually. Now I think about it.
Oh, is he?
I kind of remember his name. I can't tell.
I think we are starting to calms out. I think I'm assuming you're probably referring to like we're calming down a little bit as far as the price action goes. Hopefully that's what we're looking at. Unfortunately, Ethereum is just taking an absolute nosedive right now, as long as a bunch of other crypto assets, obviously. But I'm just trying to look here and going coin market cap.
I think there's a few things that they updated the Shib army on, if we want to go over it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Just like some stuff from the Discord. Another question, Eric. We talked a while back in August regarding compound interest on rewards. You said something about reworking the reward system. Yes, V2 will come with a full rework in UI and UX, but the whole internal design, we're thinking on Shibarium and Shi, which is the stable coin of Shiba Inu Coin pegged to the penny. Some secret stuff while thinking on that new version of the platform. It's one of the reasons why there's a V2 of Shibaswap. If you guys don't know, Shibaswap is kind of not rebranding kind of. But yeah, we're thinking on Shibarium. not just visual and use terms, but whole utility. So there will be updates on visual things as well as utility. And then all the whales I've met on this project are super respectful.
A few. Super respectful. That's kind of a weird little
Shibaswap V2 will be our own crypto portal. We won't need others anymore. And crypto portal is as a place to check assets, info, hot pairs, news, and other utilities that make us independent from everywhere else. So it looks like Shibaswap is getting a real kind of rebrand right now. We already kind of knew there's V2 coming, but some kind of updates on just overall utility coming, and then also UI getting better as well. Right. Yeah. Have you found anything on Twitter?
I was looking there. Most of it's just Discord updates right now. It seems that they're very active in their Discord as far as posting different types of Shib news. I did see one thing today that said that despite this like disgusting dip that we're in right now, well, it's not disgusting if you take advantage of buying the dips and see when we're doing that in the Discord. But either way, even though we are dipping in most of the cryptocurrency market right now, especially in Shiba Inu is actually going up in holders. I think we just hit a new all-time high record as far as holders are concerned. I think it was like 1,050,000 or something like that.
Yeah, I can pull it up right now. I'm trying to look for it right here. It is 1.151. So 1,151,000, and it's going up. It went up 3,000 yesterday.
Oh, beautiful. That's what's so interesting too, is that if that doesn't show you, like that the market, or not the market, the crypto, why do I keep saying the wrong things? That Shiba Inu as an army, as a community is still very, very strong in how they are, kind of, we're all rallying together. And it seems that most people are buying the dip, right? Because why would the holders go up when we're going down? If not, obviously people are buying the dip. Very exciting stuff either way. Very exciting stuff.
Yes. Looks like Ethereum having a bit of not a recovery, but like, finally green candle followed by a red one. But we are at a 30 RSI and we are trending down on the MACD. I just don't know when this is going to stop. We're going to do some, we're going to go into the, what is that? Not think tank, but we're going to go into the war room today, and we're really going to discuss where we really want to buy this. And if you guys want to, know when we're buying it, go ahead and join that private Discord.
Definitely join that private Discord. Take advantage of the 50% off sale that we're doing right now, guys. I really, really recommend it because, again, we are only doing this for 3 more days, guys. We run sales not often at all. So if you guys want to take advantage of this, I really recommend getting in while you can now at that $10 tier. Normally, it will cost you $20, but we want to do this for you guys, especially when the crypto markets are down. I think that you guys taking advantage of this will really, really be beneficial for you and have a lot of value in that community and just being a part of it. So get signed up and get in there while you guys can.
Southward said, when Robinhood, and I agree, use that first link. When Robinhood lists Shib, do you think it'll drop a 0 right away? I think it will. I think it'll take about a day, and I think we'll drop a 0.
I think so. I think as far as social media goes, that is going to be the craziest day of the year, like 100%. It's going to be something similar to what we saw back in October of 2021, where she had that new all-time high that they reached. That was literally the craziest day, and it was just insane. It was psychotic. Like everybody was losing their minds. It was a lot of fun though. It was really cool. Internet is going to crash. Yeah, I think so, DJ Viggs. I think that honestly might happen for real. Yeah, they're for sure taking their time. Twitter is going to freeze. Yeah, for real. Jimmy Chong said it's the light, bro. The light. It's always the light, man.
Dude, everyone thinks your light is off, and I agree with them. I don't think it's on. I think it's a lot of.
What's funny is like I moved it out of frame, like to make sure that like nobody would be like, "Where's the light at?"
It's just propaganda. I think you're lying to us.
I think the light is honestly is part of the bourgeoisie. The light is trying to manipulate you to give up your capital and your hard-earned labor for their income, for their capital.
Yeah.
So that's what they're doing. That's what the light's doing, man. It's a psyop. It's a freaking psyop, bro. That's what it is. It's a psychological operation to get you to think something else. No, I'm kidding.
Oh, did you like watch this video, by the way?
Which video?
The Robinhood one.
I'm trying to see. Is it coming up on the screen right now?
It should be.
Oh yeah, let's play this. Let's play this video.
We're gonna play this video.
Kevin style.
I'm going
Big Willie style. Let's get it.
I'm going to have to raise the gain on the. Please just don't talk while it goes through. We'll talk at the end of it because they talk so fucking soft. Yeah, there you go. Cool.
Are you going to list Shiba Inu or not?
I was almost sure that Emily, you'd start with when Shib. Look, I mean, Look, first of all, really appreciate the community and love seeing the energy around Robinhood. We don't take that for granted. At the same time, I cannot and will not talk about token listings. The thing I will assure you, folks, is that again, we are systematically putting our building blocks in place to be able to enable great crypto products. It started with actually like enabling access to coins, and we are the best and most inexpensive way that you can actually get into this new emerging economy. Crypto wallets, you just heard me talk about it. We also launched crypto gifting. You'll see us continue to play in this space, but we're not going to play, crypto bingo.
Okay, so that's basically what the update was for Robinhood today. I went over it in my video if you guys want to watch. Did you go over it in yours, Kyle?
I went over a little bit. I didn't watch the video.
Oh, okay.
In the video though itself though, but yeah, I actually couldn't hear what they were just saying there. I'm gonna be totally honest.
But, oh really?
I read the transcripts earlier, so I have a pretty brief understanding of what they're saying. Obviously,
basically what happened, what she said. The really big part is that you will continue to see us play in the space, but we're not going to play crypto bingo. And she says that because we are a highly regulated company in a highly regulated industry, and we think it's important that we get a bit more clarity from regulators. When they listed Robinhood, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, everything that they listed, those were not like real assets that they like listed. Like you couldn't actually hold your Bitcoin. So It's a lot bigger to have wallets and be an actual exchange for Bitcoin. Sorry, I didn't mean to post that. But yeah, it's a lot bigger thing to actually have wallets and be able to be a real crypto exchange, if this makes sense. So the fact of the matter is, it is a lot harder to list Shiba Inu Coin. It's a lot harder to list some of these different cryptos, these altcoins, than it is to just list. Or like they can't just list it. They need regulation. They need clarity so they don't get sued, if that makes sense.
Right. How was I mean, like for an instance, like a company like Public, company like Webull, like they're able to list these assets, right? And are they not? I mean, if I'm not mistaken, you can trade assets both in the stock and crypto markets on there. So like, how are they able? This is an actual
I can go over this.
Oh, okay, all right. Bet.
So on Public, there's no wallet. That's the big thing.
There it is, the wallet.
So there is no wallet, and Webull, it's also no wallet. So you can't send those. It's not a real exchange. So the fact that they were able to do it so quickly, I know Webull did it very early, and then Public did it around October, literally the perfect time. So you technically own it, but they own it for you, if that makes sense.
Yeah, like DJ Big said, they buy them and middleman them out.
Yes, exactly. They are the middleman. And so Robinhood wants to be an actual crypto exchange with their rollouts of the wallets. So they're not just gonna buy all these things when you're not able to actually own them, because that is what they did with 7 cryptos, and I'm sure they just might not have enough capital to do how many cryptos they want. But basically, they could do what Public and Webull are doing, and it would be a lot easier than actually being a whole crypto exchange. But they just haven't done that, and that's not how they want to go about it. Right. So yeah, that's basically how Public and Webull were able to do it so quickly. But Robinhood wants to do it in a different way.
Okay, that makes sense then. Yeah. Ah, man, I just want to see this damn Robinhood listing already happen.
Me too.
I'm sure everybody does, but like, it's taking so long.
Q1.
That's the only thing that you think Q1? I think Q2. I feel like Q2 is what we're looking at now. It just seems like the wallet is just barely being rolled out. I feel like they're going to take another month or two to even see something substantial happen with the wallets. And isn't the wallet only in beta right now? It's not even officially rolled out, or is it officially rolled out?
There's 1,000 people on the wait list that have it right now.
See, wait, let me see if I got in, because I'm on the wait list.
You're not in the top 1,000. There's 2 million people on there.
What if I am?
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Imagine live. Wait, let's see, guys.
I don't think so.
There's no way. My crypto wallet's live.
What's your best strategy to make money on crypto? I'm so glad you asked. We post all of it in our private Discord. So if you guys want to join, go ahead.
It's currently 50% off. What a steal! What a coinky dink.
This is like the perfect thing. We're about to be issuing so many buy and sell alerts.
I can't believe you've asked this effective thing to us so easily that we can easily answer it for you. That made complete sense. But yeah, no, you should definitely go check out our Discord. It's 50% off right now. Only a few more days to take advantage of it. And yeah, Tyler said, "Damn, I'm joining. We'd love to hear it. Let's go."
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm not on the wallet. I don't think I made it.
Yeah,
I don't even know how to.
I mean, I'm on the wait list, but like, I'm pretty sure I'm like 750,000 or something like that.
Crypto gifts. Crypto gift history. Can I give crypto? No. Okay. Yeah. No. I don't think I'm in it. But either way, I just think that like the freaking wallet took like months to even get anywhere in the first place. And now,
yeah, it did take a couple months. Yeah, I think that's really all we have on, Shib today. If you guys want to leave comments in the comment section below, we'll try to answer some last minute questions. Southward said Discord is so worth it. Very much appreciate you, Southward.
Shout out Southward.
And yeah, if you guys, we just went over the private Discord. Definitely try joining that. And I do want to go over, there is a way you can get some free Shib. Try to recover some of your losses today. Literally all you have to do is deposit $1 on public and you'll get up to, I believe, $300 worth of crypto. It could be anywhere from $300 to $300. So if you get $5, don't come back here and say, where's my $300? It's only a possibility. Although
it's up to,
I did get $300 personally on public. So if you guys want to try your chances, you might as well. All it takes is $1. If you guys want to try your chances at getting $300 worth of stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin, use that second link in the description, or it should be in the chat as well if you can do that, Kyle. And yeah, let's get to these last comments and then we'll get out of here. We will never see these lows again within the next few months. I agree with you, Adam. Honestly, yeah, really appreciate you joining that private Discord, by the way.
Tyler said his Discord still 10. Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
It is, Tyler.
For 3 more days. 3 more days.
That's all you have left. And then we're going to end it for a while. John Parks at Kyle. ETH is back up to 2563. We'd love to see it. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised though if we see a further dip going into the later part of today. The Asia session. When is the Asia trading session for crypto start? I want to say, when did they?
Wouldn't it be 24 hours?
Would it be?
all of crypto is 24 hours, isn't it?
No. But you know what I mean? Like so people aren't going to be trading when they're asleep, right?
Oh, you mean when do they start trading?
Yeah. Ideally, they're probably going to start trading around morning, right? When everybody wakes up.
Yeah. I thought you meant like when's the session, like a stock market session, like 9:30 to 4:30 or whatever.
Right. No, not like that. Yeah. That's what's interesting about crypto, is the fact that obviously it's always online, always ready to go, always potentially accessible to it. Giant Clam said bong hits. That's dope. That's sick.
I'm so glad you pointed out that comment.
He also said buy high, sell low.
Hey, I mean, that makes sense. So, that makes sense. That's all. That's fire. A lot of sense.
What's the difference between you guys and other crypto YouTubers? We're dope and they're not.
I mean,
said I'm high.
Awesome. No, I think the difference between us and other Discord. Discord's just on my mind. Has been on my mind the past couple of days. No, I think the difference between us and different crypto YouTubers is just like we have like big plans, for later. So if you guys are joining like the Finance Bro movement right now, you'll see and you'll understand soon that once we come up on these big bags in crypto together, there's going to be a lot of awesome stuff going on with us.
We have big things planned in the future, guys.
So
multinational corporation type vibes. You feel me?
Exactly.
But yeah, well, we're getting there. We're getting there. So we're steadily but surely getting there.
We're always going to be making crypto content. We love crypto so much, and
that's why you guys should hit the subscribe button actually too.
And we really
shameless plug.
We're going to do a lot of different stuff. Oh yeah, if you guys want to comment, all you have to do is subscribe. By the way, I don't know.
That's how you. If you guys we're reading the chat right now. By the way, if you guys aren't familiar with what we're doing right now, and the best way to chat with us so we can read your guys' messages, maybe we'll even say your name. All you guys got to do is subscribe so you guys can chat. Let's see. Russia can't do anything without Putin's control, but this isn't a political channel. Haha. I mean, yeah, I got no idea. Russia, am I right? I'm actually asking questions. Y'all just want hype and Discord money. SMH, don't believe the hype. What do you mean by that? I'm actually asking questions. Y'all just want hype and Discord money. SMH, don't believe the hype. T, can you elaborate on your points there a little bit? Because it's very poorly made and I don't quite understand what you're saying. Are you saying that we only want the hype and the Discord money? Because that's not the only thing we want. We want to help people and we're trying to make educational content out here about news involving Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. So I'm not really sure what you mean.
Yeah,
I'll let you rebuttal though. I'll let you rebuttal.
Yeah,
right?
you can rebuttal, but basically,
I want to hear a rebuttal.
Wait, has he been asking questions? I do want to kind of fact check this. When is Robinhood picking?
Fact check T.
Oh, he said when is Robinhood picking up Shib, and that was I did see that, and that was right after we went over the whole Robinhood thing. Like,
oh wait, T, you're upset. Oh, I was confused at first. You're upset that we're not answering your questions immediately right when you ask them out of a chat of 130 people. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry that we're not immediately getting to your chats, my friend. Just relax, bro. We'll get to it. We're trying to read all these chats. You know how fast my screen's going right now? Trying to read all these different things.
Bing bong, Southward said. Bing bong, bing bong.
Shout out Southward, bro. OG. That's an OG meme. I love
he asked
that.
when Robinhood is picking up Shiba, as if anyone knows a date. Trust me, when the date is whispered, it'll be screamed. Yeah, no. Once we DJ Biggs knows. Well, once we know, it's like 1 minute. 1 minute in the Discord, especially, and then like 10 minutes for the YouTube video.
Absolutely.
But yeah,
10 minutes. Sometimes, yeah, it's even longer. You guys are young gurus and appreciate your knowledge daily. Thank you, Brandon. Really appreciate it.
Appreciate you, Brandon.
Giant Clam said, I'm too high. I'll shut up. So shout out Giant Clam, bro. Giant Clam's holding it down in the chat.
Oh, no. I just don't like saying the BOGNG word because of the, YouTube just likes us to
they
be
not like that?
We just like to be family friendly. It's like
Bing bong.
Yeah.
What are you, Nick A?
Yeah.
Guys, don't curse in my stream.
I'm not saying we don't curse, but they don't like the WED.
Can you stop swearing? Dude, I love that. I love that. Shout out anybody in here who knows about Fortnite memes. Shiba can't go to a penny. You would need a market cap of trillions. No way with that amount of Shib. I mean, I don't know. I think in like the most extreme cases, maybe
burns and then crypto bull run.
I think $1 is like pretty crazy.
Burns right now and then crypto bull run. And that's all I have to say. We've gone over this a lot. You can watch our YouTube videos on it.
Oh, here's this one guy again who was like upset with us earlier. How much do you guys have in your portfolio? I have about... I'm not going to tell you. Who are you, the IRS?
I went over it in a video. You can go, what's it called? You can go scour our videos if you want. Yeah, I'll tell you, it's been in the last. It's been in the last 3 weeks. Go have fun trying to find it.
Yeah, bro.
That's it.
I can tell shrieking dog like Loki doesn't like us because he just keeps asking all these like
who
really
cares?
hard-hitting
Okay,
questions, bro.
Leave then. It's fine.
But I just want to know why he thinks this way. Like, is it because of the thumbnails, bro? Do the thumbnails make you upset? I feel like that's what most people get upset about. But man, just relax. Bro.
What's it called? We've made 84 videos in the last what's it called 21 days. So my portfolio is somewhere in these 84 videos. Mm-hmm. And if you're a diehard fan, you would know. No, I'm kidding.
I actually have $500,000 in poo-poo PP coin right now.
Liar.
Did you guys know that?
Liar.
You guys know that? Hey, new buy and sell alert. New buy and sell alert. I'm buying poo-poo PP coin, $500,000 worth right now.
Man, them dang thumbnails. Understandable, but we need to get YouTube's game. And
listen, man, it's a YouTube game, bro. Go to your favorite YouTuber and don't count Austin Hilton or Zach Humphreys, and I guarantee you'll see some similar tactics.
Zach Humphreys. Sorry, Zach Humphreys does quick.
Listen, we're not Charlie Chang. We tried that. Okay, we tried making little top 5 stocks to invest in this month. Okay. But guess what? The crypto community is way cooler. You guys are way cooler. We found a better community to be a part of. You guys are awesome.
Oh, yeah, dude. The crypto community is way better than the stocks community, I will say.
Oh, my God. Yeah. You guys are a million times better. We used to make stock videos like about a year ago. Oh, dude. The amount of edgelord, reply Andy, like crazy professional opinion havers. Oh, my God. Like comments every day. I would say something like, I'm a fan of SoFi because of the potential implications of their banking system and how they could impact the overall economy. And I could get some guy in the comments saying, this is the stupidest take I've ever heard. You should quit YouTube, delete the channel. I hope you get jailed. Like type stuff like that. We would get that every day. So shout out to the crypto community because we don't really get that anymore. Every once in a while we get a few people complaining, but yeah, it's chill. So Southward really got bummed that he didn't hear you say Bing Bong, just to let you guys know.
Wait, I said Bing Bong. I said
we said Bing Bong.
No, Kyle,
Southward.
You did not say Bing Bong. I said Bing Bong. No, I said it. I said it. Go check the VOD. Check the VOD.
I know you're not trying to dunk on me right now about me saying Bing Bong.
You did not say Bing Bong, and I'm pretty mad about it.
I'd like to let the record show, and you could go back and watch the stream. There was a couple streams ago. I want to say this was like 2 months ago, before Side Talk NYC was even blowing up. Before that, I was watching them, and I went, "Wow, Bing Bong's really funny." And then I started saying Bing Bong in the chat.
I
know everybody in the chat started saying Bing Bong. I started this, so don't even get me on. You didn't say Bing Bong.
But you did it. You didn't though.
I did.
but you did it.
Okay, then run the VOD back.
I will run the VOD back, and we will report in our private Discord.
We'll run the VOD back. We're gonna run the VOD back, everybody, because Zach's a freaking
No,
idiot.
not right now, but I'll report in the private Discord whether he said
What's up,
it or
broski?
not.
Yeah. All right, guys. Last minute questions. Get them in while you can. Quick, chat them away. Chat them away
Yep.
as fast as you can. Get that chat moving. We're gonna answer rapid fire round. Okay, this is like Kramer and Mad Money, right? We're doing Mad Money lightning round.
Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description, or second link in the description, I'd like to say, and then also join our private Discord. We're gonna do a quick Mad Money round of
Mad
your
Money
guys'
lightning
questions.
round. Questions, quick. Fire them off. Fire them off. What do you got? What do you got? Burn video. Jimmy Chunk says burn video. Yeah, we might make one day. That would be really cool if we did that. It's crazy how not too many people know about crypto. We are the future millionaires. Oh,
Exactly.
Dog.
Thank you so much,
AJ
or
$5
AG.
from AG. Zach and Finance Bro guy. I love you all. Thank you. There's over 500 trillion Shib. Peter says 2. Sorry guys, 2 more likes. How? 100. Make Zach buy Shib. Like it. I'm in Shiba at the 404 level average. I feel stupid.
Make Zach buy Shib.
Don't feel stupid. We're long-term holders. We have way worse averages than you, like literally at the 6 to 7 level, and we're down crazy.
No way.
What plummets down will bounce up. We love to see it. Basic laws of inertia. Hashtag. Who wrote?
Why do you stop? Okay, buy it. 100
Apple,
likes.
Newton, Isaac
Everyone,
Newton,
no S.
Spiked over
HIT.
400%. What's your assessment of that? It's probably a shitcoin rug pull. One more like roll. Do you have any 1 billion under? Shipping spiked over 400. You said that already. Southward says buy it. 100 likes. Everyone go buy Nashi token. Don't do that. I didn't say that.
Yeah, well, you just said it. You just said it.
AG said joining Discord. Yes, AG. Shout out you. Join the Discord. Take advantage of that 50% off that we're currently running for limited time only. COVID cash. I get it. Shipping spiked over 400%. I understand. I read it already. Russell said it's still falling. Shiba to the moon. This is why you don't give him sugar. Yeah, that is why. Jimmy Chong. Zach get laid tonight.
You know what it is.
Got him.
You know what it is. Okay. Anyways.
Oh my God. All right. But yeah, thank you guys. Oh, Discord AG is the first link down in the description below. I'm going to link the Discord one more time, guys. If you got more of this experience, more of this community, I really recommend you guys join our private Discord. It's an awesome community.
Yes.
It's all linked in the
I just
description
invested.
and, of course, in the chat.
You can
Act
see
just
here.
Invested in Shiba Inu, ladies
Live
and gentlemen.
stream, so you guys can see here. You could follow us on public at It's Finance Bro. Get free stock with the first link in the description. Remember, only 3 more days for our private Discord. We're leaving now, so this is the perfect time to join the private Discord. It's only going to be for 3 more days, so definitely join now. It's a perfect time.
Take advantage of it.
Take advantage.
Southward's going to get a shot for us at a bar. Let's go, Southward.
Yo.
See it.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
I'm with it. But anyways,
I think that's the stream, yeah?
that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for coming through. My name is Zach. His name is Kyle.
My name's Kyle.
We will see you in the next video. Peace.